ISA Boys and Girls Athletics Championships just about 2 months away. One school is bemoaning their lack of preparation, and it's not for a lack of trying on their part. Here's Garfield Jones with that story.
Mount Alvernia High carries the flag for the top girls' athletic school in Western Jamaica, but that could change come March of this year. That's because their preparation has been hampered and their training facility is literally in a mess. According to sports coordinator Andrew Henry, a National Water Commission sewage leakage has been affecting the school for months without attention from the relevant authorities.
When we take a look at it, we look at our hurdlers. This is where we would have actually done a number of our hurdle practices, carry the girls through the fundamentals. Unfortunately, we can't do that. This is where we prepare our girls for jumps such as high jump, long jump. None of this can be done, neither does there. We have girls who would have actually made a national championship last year in high jump. We have girls who would have actually made it to the finals in long jump. In fact, we can say we have gold medalists for long jump for national championship. Unfortunately, we cannot do any form of training down there right now.
They have contacted the NWC to address the problem, but nothing has been done to date.
We made calls to the Water Commission. We spoke to person from the Water Commission. They said it would have been fixed. Unfortunately, it had not been fixed. And, we're still having the situation that we have to deal with right now.
As a result, some athletes will not be making the trip to the National Stadium for Champs, which runs from March 24 to 28.
We have to pull out girls from Discus and Shot Put from the program because there's nowhere to train.
Their alternative to training is across the road at Cornwall College, but that's not enough.
But when you go to Cornwall have to use their field likewise. They have to use their jumping pitch. So it's unfortunate we cannot do what we want to do now.
And it's not just the student athletes who are affected.
We have classes are going on, teachers having difficulty breathing, students complaining about the streets down there. This is something that's been going on for many years now, and it become worse for the past couple of months. They said they are fixing it, and up until now it cannot be fixed, and it's affecting our classes. It is affecting our girls' preparation for national championship.
At the 2025 ISA Boys and Girls Athletics Championship, Mount Alvernia accumulated 29 points to finish in 15th spot. Garfield Jones reporting for TVJ Sports.